Uganda has become one of the East Africa's fastest growing economies, especially in digital space. Whether you are considering launching a business locally or expanding globally, Uganda in 2025 offers an incredible opportunity to start an online business. But where do you begin? Let's dive into this comprehensive guide to help you set up a thriving online business in Uganda. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is David. I'm a software engineer and a digital marketer. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through every step of launching a successful online business in Uganda. From market research to scaling your business, we will cover it all. So let's get started. So, why should you start an online business in Uganda in 2025? First, the numbers speak for themselves. Uganda has over 21 million internet users, and the demand of online services is rapidly increasing. With useful population and rising internet penetration, this is the perfect time to tap into the growing market. The government also supports e-commerce initiatives, making it easier than ever to start and grow your online business in Uganda. Before you jump into any business, market research is essential. What do Ugandans need? What are they searching for? Whether it's fashion, tech gadgets, or health products, understanding what the market demand is the key to succeed in online business. Tools like Google Trend, Keyword Planner, or social media insights can help you gather valuable data. Also keep in mind the preference for cash on delivery among Ugandans. Next, choose the right business model for your skill and target market. There are several options. For example, e-commerce stores, affiliate marketing, offering digital services like website design or even online coaching. For example, you could sell electronics or fashion online or offer a freelance service like web development or a digital marketing service. Each business model offers its own opportunities. Once you have chosen your model, it is time to register your business. In Uganda, this means going through Uganda Registration Service Bureau and obtain a tax identification number from Uganda Revenue Authority. This step ensures that your business is legally recognized and compliant with the tax laws of Uganda. A professional website is your business storefront, making sure it's mobile friendly, easy to navigate, and includes secure payment options like mobile money. Don't forget about local search engine optimization. Use keywords like buying electronics in Uganda to ensure that your website ranks higher in local search results. Next, set up a reliable payment systems and delivery methods. Partner with local delivery services like Posta Uganda or Jumia to ensure smooth and efficient shipping. Make sure your customers understand shipping costs, delivery times, and return policy. Now that you're up and running, it's time to attract customers. Digital marketing is key here. Focus on search engine optimization, social media marketing or content marketing, and email campaigns to drive traffic to your website. Whether it's Facebook ads, Instagram posts, or email newsletter, you need to connect with your audience regularly. Finally, once your business starts generating revenue, consider scaling it. Expand your product range, target international customers, and invest in advanced marketing strategies to grow faster. So there you have it. Starting an online business in Uganda in 2025 is an exciting opportunity, but it requires the right strategy. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to succeed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips on building your online business, digital marketing, software development. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.